What up, lads? Let's make some Aquafaba mayonnaise. Alright guys, so here I have my mise en place and I'm gonna walk through all these ingredients. So the base for the vegan mayonnaise is simply oil. Okay, here I have, I think it is rapeseed oil. You can use sunflower oil. I do not actually recommend using olive oil because of the flavor, but if you want to try it, it's not a problem as well. And canned chickpeas. Okay, because we're gonna use the water from this, so it's simply a ratio between the water and the oil. When you blitz together, it's gonna become like thick, like mayonnaise. But for this base, we're gonna use some extra ingredients for flavor. So I have one garlic that I'm gonna toast in the pan. Dijon mustard, you can use this one or you can use the ground mustard as well. It works perfectly. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, so we get a little bit of that punch, the kick. Maple syrup for balance, and salt. Easy like that. So first thing to be done, we're gonna saute this garlic here in both sides just to bring some color. We're doing this because we want to bring some extra flavor into the garlic. We don't want that garlic to taste raw garlic on the mayonnaise. Believe me, this makes the whole difference. So that's it, that's what we want. Happy days. A little bit of color, a little bit of caramelization, and we're good to go. So guys, to actually make this, I'm gonna use this jar for all the ingredients inside. Have this hand blender here. I'm gonna put inside, and that's it. Mayo is done. Like 3 minutes, easy. So let's open this can here. I'll just do like that. Then we're gonna put the liquid in here. Right? First thing that goes inside our garlic, and then we're gonna blitz this first, okay? Then we're gonna add the apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add the maple syrup. We're gonna add a tip of the spoon of Dijon mustard because this is strong. There. We're gonna add salt. And then I have my oil here. I'm gonna start pouring the oil and blitzing. More. It's not thick enough. It's getting there. So a tiny bit more. And that's it, guys. Mayonnaise done. So take a look at this. Huh? Beautiful. And now you can flavor this. You can add spices, you can add dry herbs, you can add chili, you can add hot sauce. This is like endless options for this beauty here. Okay, endless, and so easy, so simple, just like that. It's unbelievable. It's tasty, easy, simple. That's it. That's all you need. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.